Guys, this one instantly stands out because of its incredibly soft and comfortable feel. The fabric feels smooth, lightweight, and very gentle on the skin. It has a delicate sheer finish that adds a touch of modern elegance. The overall design is clean, stylish, and thoughtfully crafted. Friends, comfort is clearly the main focus here. The waistband rests comfortably without creating pressure. It stays secure while still feeling relaxed and flexible. The breathable material helps keep you feeling fresh all day long. Even after extended wear, it remains light and comfortable. The stitching is precise and neatly finished. Every detail feels carefully designed for everyday use. It creates a smooth appearance under different outfits. Nothing feels bulky or distracting. The fabric texture has a soft and premium touch. It moves naturally with your body throughout the day. The fit feels balanced and supportive without being restrictive. You get comfort and style working together perfectly. The material quality feels durable despite its lightweight feel. It maintains its shape beautifully after regular wear. Friends, that's a quality many people look for. The minimalist styling gives it a sophisticated appearance. It looks elegant while remaining practical for daily use. The overall finish feels polished and refined. Every element contributes to a premium experience. A dependable choice for anyone who values comfort and style. Guys,